Hey guys, today's January the 8th of 2016. I want to go over the euro dollar using price and time technical analysis, so please pause the video and read the video disclaimer. Alright, as you can see in my last video, I was showing you support and resistance, how I do it on this software, and you can see that I was telling you guys that 920 between 924 was going to be some resistance for the euro. It did, pop a little bit. I shorted it between there in that range. And covered it, so I'm flat. It didn't get to hit 850, but it got close enough, and I'm from the school of thought that if it gets close enough, just get out, because you never know, it's going to go right back up and get away from you and then continue. So I'm flat, and also there's some reports coming out at 8:30, so I figured, I don't want to be in the middle. They say don't fiddle in the middle, so you don't want to be caught here. Because it could go either there. If it goes down, they'll be in my favor, but I don't want to risk that chance. Seasonal dates, these are dates that I always put on my charts just to keep an eye on. So if it's going down, it could be a possibility that the 13th it could pop, turn up, maybe for a couple of days, or do anything. So, but I just always write them down because it's just a habit. I've been doing it for years. So it's pretty much Wednesdays, 13th, 20, and the 27th. Has nothing to do with relate to news, anything like that. It's just what they call it, seasonal dates. If you look at the charts, you can see that the euro was getting in a squeeze play to the downside, and now it's getting momentum. It's getting some strength. You see those two yellow bars? So that's not good for my bias being short and long dollar. So I have to keep an eye on this report and see how it pans out today. But it could just be a little headwind for today. Maybe next week it'll change. Yeah, that's it. This is just pretty much it. That's the only thing I see. Just see a doji here, see a doji here in the monthly, a doji on the weekly. Buying pressure building up. You got this PPS buy signal. It's above the 50 in the cloud, so it's going to be choppy and crazy. You still got resistance up here on the weekly with the 50 and the 20. And you got a PPS buy signal on the 12 hour. And look at the DX, which is the dollar. It's got the squeeze play, and now it's getting weak. You got a PPS sell signal on the daily. You're in the cloud on the 12 hour. But you're still strong between the weekly. You got above the 20 and the 50. So it's just backwards, reversing the doji. So let's see how this report comes out at 8:30. There's a squeeze play. It's 15 minutes. It looks like the pressure's to the upside. I scalped this long last night after the massive sell-off right here, right at the open around 8. I bought when I saw this candle and I saw this energy of volume. I just jumped in and I covered this morning. So I got a nice little scalp. Same thing with the euro. I covered this morning too. So hope this helps. I'll keep you posted on my thoughts, and have a great weekend. Make some pips.